Hey Danish tubers, welcome to this beginner quiz on the fly emotions in Danish. Here's a beginner quiz, about 10 questions. Let's see how it goes. No thrills. Question number 1, spørgsmål nummer 1. How do you say surprised in Danish? Overrasket, sår. The answer is overrasket. Overrasket. How do you say sleepy? Søvnig, slow. The answer is søvnig. Slow just means kind of like sluggish. Søvnig, sleepy. How do you say in love? Elsket, forelsket. Svaret er forelsket. Elsket just means you are loved, like somebody loves you. Forelsket, in love. Næste spørgsmål. How do you say mad? Mad, sår. Svaret er sår. Of course, mad does not mean mad, it means food. Should mean mad, that would make life a lot easier, but afraid not. Næste spørgsmål. How do you say naughty? Fræk, natteravn. Important word here. Svaret er fræk. Fræk. That can also mean like cheeky, something like that. Natteravn is a completely different word. It's not even an adjective. It means a night owl. Well, it means a night raven, literally. But in English, we say owl. You know, when you stay up late all night. Så er du en natteravn. Næste. How do you say stick? Sigh, sue. Easy one, I think, right? Most of you probably know this one. Svaret er sue. Sue. Ugh. How do you say sad? Træt, trist. Svaret er trist. These two words are very close, and I often see it in my classes, people getting them a little bit mixed. And also the word travlt, which means I'm busy. Jeg har travlt, I'm busy. Træt og trist. I don't know how you're going to remember it. Just got to do it. Næste spørgsmål. How do you say bored? Ked af det. Jeg keder mig. Svaret er B. Jeg keder mig. This is the odd one out. All of our examples have been adjectives, and here we use a reflexive verb to say I'm bored. There's another word, which is an adjective, which is kederlig. But if you say kederlig, jeg er kederlig, it means I'm boring, not I'm bored. Ked af det, on the other hand, means sad. It's another way to say trist. Do we have more? Let's see. Yes, næste spørgsmål. How do you say hungry? I think that's our last question. Fuld, sulten. Svaret er sulten. Of course, sulten. Don't be confused here when you think of being full. People often mistake it for meaning you've eaten a lot of food or du er fuld. But full means, of course, drunk. The word for full is met. So that was our little quiz on emotions. How did you do? How many did you get right? 10 out of 10? I think there were 10 questions. Leave a comment in the comments section. And if you like these little quizzes, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments so I can make more of them. Vi ses i den næste video.